So you got no, cause you wanna grow when you get next night for D&D. So do it yourself, you'll do it yourself, it's do it yourself with DarknDorky.
Hey guys, DarknDorky here from Games in Real Life, coming at you with a DIY trick on how to up your TTRPG game this holiday season.
Santa's coming to town!
Christmas!
He's not Santa!
And there you have it, guys. We have our TTRPG minis for dirt cheap. Literally. All I had to do was go to the dollar store and Walmart for the white ones and just drop like 15 bucks, I think, in total. $2.50, $2, $1.50, $1.50, $1.25. Those guys were at Walmart for $2. These guys are $2.50 each at Dollarama. So just check out your dollar stores, man. Don't like the way that there's snow on it? Just paint over it. Paint over it with some green. Make it summer. Don't like the weird wreathy bits? Well, geez, with a little bit of beige paint, that can become a banner. Think it's too Christmassy? Take one of those guys, slap it up with some green paint. Pretty easy. These guys right here, they're just sprayed down with fake snow. Just bake the crap out of them. And then again, paint green what you don't want white. And huzzah! Quick holiday trick for this holiday season, guys. Holy crap, a nothing T-Rex, da 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 da. Please don't eat me, Mr. T-Rex, da 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 da. Run away before it eats me, da 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 da. Christmas episode, DarknDorky, da 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 da. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Games in Real Life. Good night and happy holidays.